Alright, so in today's video, man, I'm gonna give you guys a couple tips on how to edit your music videos and use sounds. Use some sounds while you're editing your music videos. So that's what today's video about. Alright, so I got my boy Nino Brown. I just shot a music video for him, and I use a lot of sound effects in this video. You know, I seem to always use the sound effects when I'm editing Chino video. Like even it's just like subtle shutters and clicks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna give you guys my tips on when to and how do I use sounds in music videos. So that's what we're doing today. All right, let's get it. I'm gonna play it back for y'all real quick.
This that crack shit, cook it up and further block. I got a seller now, my 9 nigga coming shop. Hot and leveled up, so I ain't gotta talk no more. And this that gangster shit, so I ain't gotta do the most. This that crack shit, cook it.
Alright, so that's what we got, man. So Nino Brown, crack shit, and this is the video, and those are pretty much the sounds I get. Now, the first question: where do you find sounds to use your music videos? You can find sounds all over the internet. You know, make sure you're licensing sounds. Make sure you're buying your sound packs. You know, don't use unauthorized sounds. But if you're finding yourself low on sounds, man, you can use sound packs. You know, Artlist. Like I have an Artlist account. You download sounds. They provide sounds. Also background music. And so I guess the next question is, how do you know when to use a sound, right? So me, I tend to use sounds whenever I'm filming certain things, like, you know, slow shutters, speed ramps. I use sounds definitely for those, you know, stack them up in your videos, slow shutters, speed ramps, you know, vehicles, firearms, you know, stuff like that, lighter flicks. Like, you can use sounds for all of those stuff, and you don't have to use a lighter flick for a lighter flick. Like, if you get what I'm saying, like slow shutter speed, you know, you guys can use, like I use for this, like I started the video off with a slow shutter speed and a swoosh sound in a sense. So I typically use like a swoosh for a slow shutter speed. So the slow shutter speed was indication right there. The slow shutter speed and the speed ramp. And if we zoom in, you guys can see I use I stacked those on top of each other, and again, you know, I edited it, and then I just went back and added the sound effects to enhance the music video effect in a sense. So typically that's what I do. So sound effects can really enhance your basic effects. You know, sometimes we don't really think about that, but using sounds inside of your music videos can definitely enhance your visual. And here you guys can see, like, I use a lot of camera shutter clicks. Those little clicks you hear is actually camera shutter clicks. You know, I like using those whenever I switch the scenes. You know, the scenes be like so abrupt, so I just use a camera camera shutter click to enhance those cuts in the music video. And then I also use like a dip to flash just to emphasize that cut. And again, man, like, you can reverse the sound, you can cut the sound, cut the end part, use it in the video. Like you can do whatever with your sounds.
This that crack shit, cook it up and further block.
All right, so like again, the shutter sound is definitely one of my favorites. Like I went from black and white in this part right here. It's almost like a photo, almost like a surveillance type photo type deal. And again, the camera shutter click definitely can work out in this situation, you know, with your edit.
Cook it up and further block. I gotta sell. Cook it up and further block. I gotta sell it now. My 9 nigga coming shop. I done leveled up, so I ain't gotta talk no more. And this that gangster shit, so I ain't gotta.
See, that's a perfect example of me using shutter speed with a whoosh.
And this that gangster shit, so I ain't.
See, that's a slow shutter, and I use a whoosh. You know what I mean? It worked perfect.
Gangster shit, so I ain't got.
So you use the whoosh for like a dip the flash, stuff like that, man. So again, man, you can find use sounds online. Definitely find them online. Artlist.io. That's a good service to have. I use that. I have a subscription. And man, just get to stacking your sounds up. Make sure your edit is tight first. Then throw your sounds in there, layer it up, and see how it can play back. I'm gonna play this little section for y'all with the sound and without the sound. So this is this section without sound, just the song.
This that crack shit, cook it up and further block. I gotta sell it now.
See, that's hard, but I'm gonna show y'all how hard the sound enhances that little section, right? So let's unmute these. All right, let's run this back.
I gotta sell it now. This that crack shit, cook it up and further block. I gotta sell it now. My 9 nigga coming shop. I done leveled up.
It makes a world of a difference, man. It enhances your video effects so much, man. Use sounds in your videos, all right?
And this that gangster shit, so I ain't gotta. And this that gangster shit.
We shot this at Carolina Film Studio. This is crazy. I have a M2 MacBook maxed out, and I'm getting lag.
And this that gangster shit, so I ain't gotta do the most. And this that gangster shit, so I ain't gotta do the most. This that crack shit, cook it up and further block.
Yeah, man. So enhance your music videos with sounds. Stack them, layer it up, man. You won't be disappointed. Again, this is how I do it. So if you guys need some tips and tricks on how to stack where to find sounds, man, be sure to hit me up. Instagram, on YouTube. Let's get it, man. We thank you guys for still liking, commenting, subscribing, man. We're trying to build a community. I appreciate you guys, all my visionaries, man. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. Let's keep going, man. All right. Until next time, man. Joy Papers Visionary Art Group. Y'all know we future proofing America, one YouTube video at a time. You know we also powering the independence. Y'all know my motto: the world needs visionaries. Be a visionary. All right. Peace.
This that.